All right, we're gonna show Ruby the track. We're gonna see if she can track. So I started something going. I pulled a bloody hide. I pulled it right around that tree, and also around that tree. And then I came back towards the middle of the field a little bit. And then I went around that tree right there. Went around that. And I ended up I had the hide hid behind that pine tree right there. Is it that one? Yeah. Yeah, it's behind that pine tree. So we'll see if she can find it. Okay, Pete, you ready, buddy? Okay. Okay, Ruby. Suit, 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 suit. All right, Pete, she's on the track. Let's see if she can find it. She's supposed to go around that other tree. Nope. What? Okay, see you later, buddy. Oh, yep. She ended up going around the tree. She stood up again. She's got to go around that tree right in front of me. Looking back and forth. Oh yeah, she's doing good. She knows it's around here somewhere. Yeah, she's following it. Yep. Right around the tree. Oh yeah. She's doing good. And then I go to the left of this pine tree right here. So she's off track a little bit. Left of the pine tree. Yeah, she likes this game. Circling a little bit. There we go. Now she's on the track again. Go towards the middle of the field a little bit. And take a right. Coming up here and then around another tree. Oh yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. She's got a lot of distractions over here. My wife is holding another hide in her bag. It's around that tree right there. Let's see if she can go around the tree. Hold that up so she can't smell it, actually. Can you hold it up? Okay, thanks. Hey guys. Hey Ruby. Sook, sook. Just gotta go around this tree. Yep. She picked it up again. Oh man, she's got this. Time to go home yet, Ruby? They're all going home, so she wants to go home. Sook, sook, sook. Sook, sook, sook. Good girl. Oh, she's gonna find it. It's hiding right here by this pine tree. To the right of this pine tree. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Good girl. What do you got in your mouth there? You found it? Wandered around the whole park. Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. Gonna find an elk this year? Good girl. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Good.